Today we will discuss about preposition. That what is preposition? So preposition is anything that is describing about time, direction and place. So that will be preposition. In these examples, for example, we have here in. We have here, we used in. Why we used here in, not on, at, etc. So there is a basic reason behind that. If there is a word belief, confidence, trust, so after these words, you will use preposition in. You have to remember this thing. If there is a word belief, confidence, trust, so after that you will use preposition in. We believe in God. We believe in God. That is the reason. The next thing is, he distributed this dash us. Amongst here is a preposition. Why we use here amongst, not among? The basic reason is, after this there is a vowel letter. Vowel letter. If there is a vowel letter, so you will use amongst. And if there is consonant letter like T, so you will use among. Both are same, but we are using amongst before vowel letter and among before consonant letter. Another one is, the result will announce from September to October. Here there are two prepositions, from and to. When will you use from and to? When you are excluding something from something. In this example, September and October are excluded. So in exclusive case, you will use from and to. Another thing, the result will announce from September through October. If you are using preposition from and through, so it means that both boundary walls are included. So in inclusive case, we will use from and through, and in exclusive case, we will use from and to. These are prepositions. Next, he went dash the forest. Here we are using through. When will you use through? When something is covering you wholly solely. For example, you are going through forest, so the trees are higher than you. So it is covering you. The trees are covering you. When something is covering you and you are going through that, so you will use through. That's why we use through. The next thing, he entered dash his room. Here, remember this thing, with enter, you will not use any preposition. With enter, you will not use any preposition. For example, you will not say that he entered into his room, because this will be wrong. This is a formula that you will not use any preposition with enter. The next thing, your face resembles dash a space. You will also not use any preposition with resemble. You have to remember this thing. The next thing, Ali is sitting between Ahmad and Zia. Ali is sitting among his cousin. So what is the basic difference? The basic difference is, when you know the exact number, when you are knowing the exact number, so you will use between. And if you are not knowing about the exact number, so you will use among. Here, the both, we know that there are only two persons. So that's why we use between. And here cousins, how many cousins he has, we don't know about it. So you will use among. So that is all about prepositions, that we use some preposition in these sentences. Why we are using it? So on the behalf of using of each and every preposition, there is a proper reason. So you have to remember all the things. See you in the coming video.